Hi team, sorry for that. This is day 2. Today we are going to discuss about ways of software testing. The first of all, software testing, two ways such as manual testing and as well as automation testing. Manual testing and as well as what? Automation testing. Once again, everyone, software testing, how many ways? Two ways. What are the two ways of software testing? Such as manual testing and as well as second one is automation testing. What is mean by manual testing? What is mean by automation testing? Testing engineer testing an application by human interactions. Everyone, testing engineer testing an application by human interactions. Interactions, nothing but call as manual testing. Testing engineer testing an application by the help of tools and softwares. Nothing but call as automation testing. Once again, software testing two ways. One is manual testing and second one is automation testing. So it's a process to conduct testing on application by human interactions are called manual testing. It's a process to conduct testing on application by the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. And everyone, any project should be starts with a manual, then we can go to automation testing. Then we can go to what? Automation testing. Okay, already yesterday we discussed this one. Now let's discuss about SDLC. SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. Once again, SDLC stands for what to what? Software Development Life Cycle. Yes, SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. If you want to become a software testing engineer, we should have knowledge about SDLC. Once again, SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. Either small size project, big size project. Just 1 minute, guys. Just one. Yeah, fine. Everyone, SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. SDLC will explain how the IT companies going to develop the application from day one to up to deliver to the customer. What are the day by day activities? Those day by day activities nothing but call as SDLC. Once again, everyone, SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. I'll explain, guys. Any idea? Everyone, any idea? SDLC starts with any idea? SDLC starts with. I want the reply from you guys. Guys, whenever I'm asking, please give me reply, guys. I'm waiting for your reply. Fine. No worry. I'll show you real time. Maybe up to now, you learn about how SDLC will work. But I'll show you real time IT companies, how they will going to develop about SDLC. 1 minute, I'll show you along with the images. One minute. Okay. See, by showing the diagram, I'll explain about SDLC. SDLC stands for everyone. What is that? Software Development Lifecycle. SDLC starts with software bidding. Everyone, SDLC starts with what? Software bidding. Software bidding will be confirmed by the CEO along with client. Everyone, CEO stands for what? CEO stands for what? Very good. Just 1 minute, guys. Just 1 minute. I'll make it something settings. I'll add something settings for recordings. Just wait 1 minute, please. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Software bidding. CEO go to client side. Confirm the project. CEO go to client side. Confirm the project. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. Every company CEO will be there. What they will do? They will go to client side. They will discuss about the project and they will discuss about the project and making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Once again, everyone, software bidding, our company CEO go to client side. Yes, confirm the project. So let me take example. ICICI Bank. Just imagination. ICICI Bank, they're looking for ATM software. So just we are all are working in one company. Just example company name something with ITvidhya something. So then from our company CEO will go to ICICI. From our company CEO go to ICICI and collecting requirements from the customer. Collecting requirements from the customer, and he will discuss with the client. Finally, they will make the agreement in between software company and corresponding client. The process nothing but call as software bidding. Once again, everyone, software bidding means nothing but our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. After, everyone understand up to here? I need your reply, guys. Yes, everyone. Software bidding, CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Next, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by CEO. This meeting will be conducting by CEO to select project manager. Everyone, once again, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. And after project initiation note, information note, which is prepared by project manager. Once again, guys, software bidding, CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select a project manager. To select what to what? Project manager. This meeting who are conducting? CEO to select a project manager. What is the purpose of meeting? Without project manager, we're not able to develop the project and we're not able to test the project. So we're not able to implement any kind of the project. To implement any kind of the project, definitely, first of all, we need the project manager. To select the project manager, they're conducting to select the project manager. They're conducting one meeting. The meeting nothing but call as kickoff meeting. Who are conducting this meeting? This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select a project manager. Everyone, this meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select a project manager. To select the project manager. And the main purpose of this meeting to select the project manager. Without project manager, we're not able to implement the project. And one thing, like why it is called kickoff meeting? Just normally they can call the meeting now, because any kind of startup meeting, in the IT companies call kickoff meeting. So it is a startup meeting. Everyone, it is what? Startup meeting. That's what this is meeting nothing but call as kickoff meeting. Everyone, once again, kickoff meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select project manager. I hope you understood, guys, everyone. The first of all, software bidding, CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Second one, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. Third one, project initiation note or information note, which is prepared by project manager. It is a just information mail or document recording who is the client, what is the budget, what is the duration, just information will be there, which is prepared by project manager. The the document nothing but call as project initiation note. This document contains information of the current project, such as who is the client, what is the project, what is documentation. The information nothing but call as project initiation note. Once again, software bidding, our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Next one, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. Third one, project initiation note or information note, which is prepared by project manager. Next of all, requirement gathering. Requirement gathering. Everyone, who are collecting the requirement? Business analyst and as well as system analyst will collect requirements from the customer. First of all, what is mean by the requirements? Requirements means nothing but customer needs. Requirements means nothing but customer needs. So business analyst and system analyst will collect requirements from the customer. Business analyst and system analyst will collect requirements from the customer. They will collect two types of requirement documents, such as BRS and as well as SRS. BRS stands for Business Requirement Specification. SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. Once again, BRS stands for Business Requirement Specification and as well as SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. What is BRS? What is SRS? First of all, what is mean by everyone? Yes, first of all, what is mean by BRS and SRS? What is mean by requirement? Requirements means nothing but, everyone, requirements means nothing but customer needs. For example, I want to buy one mobile. If I want to buy the mobile, whenever enter into mobile showroom, definitely first of all, salesperson will come. He will ask, sir, what is your requirements, right? Same like that, every IT company, they will maintain separate sales guy which is called business analyst. Once again, very, very important phase. Requirement gathering. Business analyst and system analyst will prepare two types of requirement documents such as BRS and as well as SRS. BRS stands for Business Requirement Specification. SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. BRS also one kind of requirement document and SRS also one kind of requirement document. Everyone, once again, the first of all, software bidding, our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Next kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducted by the CEO to select the project manager. And third one, project initiation note, nothing but information note, which is prepared by project manager. It contains information of the project such as, yes, it contains information of the project such as who is the client, what is a domain, what is a project, just information will be there. And after that, requirement gathering. Everyone, requirement gathering. What is mean by the requirement? Customer needs. Business analyst will go to customer site. Why business analyst? Why not project manager? Why not CEO? Because he is an expert to collecting requirements from the customer. So business analyst will collect the requirements from the customer. Two types of documents they will prepare, such as BRS and as well as SRS. BRS stands for Business Requirement Specification and SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. Once again, BRS stands for Business Requirement Specification and SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. Software Requirement Specification. I hope you understood, guys. Everyone, I hope you understood. Here, try to understand what is difference in between BRS and as well as everyone. I'll explain. BRS and SRS difference is, first of all, business analyst will collecting all requirements from the customer. All requirements prepared as a BRS. All requirements prepared as a what? BRS. And after, everyone, and after system analyst, I mean after, developers are looking for only development requirement. Testing engineers, they're looking for only testers requirements. So development requirements separately prepared as a development requirements. Testing requirements separately prepared as a testing SRS, like that. Based on one BRS, number of SRS documents will be there. Based on one BRS, number of SRS documents will be there. Once again, BRS contains entire the project requirement. SRS contains only testing, development requirements separately as a development SRS, testing requirements separately as a testing SRS. Everyone, one question I'm asking, which one we have to follow? BRS or SRS? I need your reply in chat box. Which one we have to follow? BRS or SRS? I need your reply. I'll tell you guys. I think you're confusing. Once again, requirement gathering. First of all, business analysts will go to client side, collecting all requirements from the customer. Requirements prepared, all requirements prepared as a BRS. BRS contains all development requirements, testing requirements. It contains all requirements. It contains all requirements. Yes, BRS contains all. You know, that's what everyone, that's what from the BRS they will divide development requirement separately as a development SRS, testing requirement separately as a testing SRS, hardware requirement separately as a hardware SRS, like that. Based on one BRS, number of SRS documents will be there. Any company, any project, only one BRS and number of SRS documents. Whenever working as a any software engineer, so we have to follow only SRS documents. We have to follow only what? SRS documents. BRS, business requirement specification, SRS, software requirement specification. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Yes. So we have the opportunity and we have the access to follow only SRS. And after that, analyzing requirements. Every software engineer, every software engineer understanding requirement, either developer or testing engineer, anyone, they have to understanding requirement. So without understanding requirement, developer, they're not able to develop. Without understanding requirement, testing engineer, they're not able to test. Got it, my point? So developer, they're not able to develop, and testing engineer, they're not able to test. That's what everyone. Analyzing requirements means nothing but understanding requirements. And after, project plan. So plan will be prepared by project manager in order to complete the project as per the requirements. Everyone, in order to complete the project as per the requirements, plan will be prepared by project manager. Once again, in order to complete the project as per the requirement, so plan will be prepared by project manager. Plan will be prepared by project manager based on the requirement. Without analyzing requirements plan, is it possible? No. No, it's not possible. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. So plan will be prepared by the project manager. And after that, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Two types of design documents such as high level design and as well as low level design. What is mean by high level design? What is mean by low level design? Outlook of the project requirement is called high level design. And step by step, everyone, outlook of the project requirements is called high level design. Step by step requirements comes into low level design. Low level design. The real time example I'll show you guys, no worry. For example, if our project is Mercury Travels, login is one requirement which is called high level. Under the login, email ID, password, the step by step nothing but comes into low level. Everyone, once again, register is a high level. Under the register, first name, last name, and everything comes into what? Low level. Got it, my point? Everyone. So just try to understand here. Designing two types of design documents such as high level design and as well as low level design. First of all, one question. Designing, is it important or optional? 100% important. Everyone, design Yes, design, is it important or optional? 100% important. Without design, everyone, without design, there is no, yes, without design, there is no development. Small example, guys, one building construction is there. One building construction is there. Without giving design, just I'm giving only money, start construction for duplex. Is it possible? 100% not possible. 100% not possible. Because if I give design based on that, if I give design based on that, we can, yes, based on that, we can implement. I hope you understood, guys. Once again, everyone, focus here. Design done by architect and also called as technical team. Two types of design documents such as high level design and as well as low level design. What is mean by high level design? I mean module wise the information nothing but comes into high level design. Every module step by step requirement nothing but comes into low level design. So design done by architect and also called as technical team. Next, coding. Coding done by programmer. Everyone, coding done by what? Programmer. Yes, once again, coding done by what? Programmer. Programmer start writing the coding based on the requirement, based on the plan, based on the design. Got it my point? By using different technologies such as Java and as well as Python and as well as C#. Once again, coding done by programmer by using different technology such as Java, Python, and C#. Yes, Java, Python, and as well as C#. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. So once again, software bidding, our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project, kick-off meeting. This meeting will conducting by the CEO to select the project manager, project initiation note or information note, which is prepared by project manager. Next, everyone, next, requirement gathering. Business analyst and system analyst will collect two types of requirement documents such as BRS and SRS. Plan will be prepared by project manager and design done by architect team. Two types of design documents such as high level design and low level design, such as what to what? High level design and low level design. After coding done by programmer. After coding done by programmer. Once coding done by the programmer, next one, testing. Everyone, I'm expecting answer from you. Who will test the application? Who will test the application? Testing engineer, right? That's what. Subject different, real-time work different. Subject different, real-time work different. As per the subject, after completion of coding, testing done by testing engineer. But you know real-time what happened? But the real-time, once coding is completed, before start our job, first of all, programmer conducting testing. First of all, programmer conducting testing. That testing, nothing but call as white box testing. Who will write the code? Programmer, na? Same programmer. Testing on coding part, nothing but call as white box testing with two levels such as unit testing and as well as integration testing, such as what to what? unit testing, and as well as integration testing. And after testing engineer job is called black box testing. Black box testing 2 levels are there, such as system testing and as well as user acceptance testing. System testing and as well as what? User acceptance testing. No worry guys, cool, I'll explain. What is white box, what is black box? I'll show you practically. Now you're able to see the front end application, right? But back end, programmer will prepare something code. Programmer will prepare something code like this. So programmer, who will write the code? Programmer na. Same programmer, they will test on coding part whether code is correct or not. Whether code is correct or not, which is called white box testing. And after testing engineer, testing on application, nothing but call as black box testing. Everyone, programmer testing on coding part is called white box. Testing engineer testing on front-end application is called black box. As a testing engineer, we have to test on front-end application, whether see this text box working or not, this calendar working or not, this list box working or not, this button working or not, like that. We have to test on front-end application, nothing but call as black box testing. I hope you understood, guys. Everyone, once again, what is what is mean by white box and what is mean by black box? Programmer testing on coding part is called everyone, programmer testing on coding part is called white box. Testing engineer testing on front-end application is called black box. Is called what? Black box. One small example, one student, they're writing exam in examination hall. One student, they're writing exam in examination hall. Once exam is completed, answer paper before giving to invigilator, same student will review answer paper before giving to invigilator. Same student will cross check whether answer is correct or not, is called white box testing. After invigilator checking whether answer is correct or not is called black box. Understand my point? I hope you understood, guys. Once again, programmer testing on coding part, everyone, programmer testing on coding part is called white box. Testing engineer testing on front-end application is called black box. Our job is called, everyone, our job is called black box testing, testing on front-end application. So testing engineer, coding skills not required. So once again, after designing coding, which is done by the programmer, once coding is done, then programmer white box testing and the black box testing. White box testing 2 levels, unit integration. Black box testing 2 levels, such as system testing and as well as user acceptance testing. Finally, application release. Application release to customer. Application release to customer. So after release to customer, during utilization, if customer facing any problem, then provide support and as well as maintenance. Once again, guys, release to the customer. After release to customer, customer start using the application. If customer while using, if customer facing any issues, we have to provide support and maintenance. When after deliver to customer, if customer facing any issue, then we can provide support and maintenance. Once again, software bidding, our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager and project initiation note, information note, which is prepared by the project manager, requirement gathering, business analyst and system analyst will prepare two types of requirement documents such as BRS and SRS, and a plan will be prepared by project manager, design done by architect team, coding done by the programmer. After testing, white box testing which is done by the programmer, black box testing which is done by testing engineer. Finally, application release to customer. After release, if customer facing any problem, then provide support and maintenance. Everyone, I want to ask questions from today class. Please give me reply in chat box every day after class. I want to ask two questions. I want to ask few questions. Question number one, everyone. Question number one. Software testing two ways. What are the two ways? Give me the names. Software testing two ways. What are the two ways? Yes, manual and automation. Very good. Next, who are collecting requirements from the customer? Who are collecting requirements from the customer? Very good answer. Very good answer. Business analyst. And two types of requirement document, BRS and SRS. Next question, everyone. What is our job? White box or black box? What is our job? White box or black box? White box or black box? Yes, our job is called black box testing. Very good, guys. Everyone. So once again, I'm repeating. Uh, Tomorrow onwards, main subject will start. Today, just we discuss SDLC. And one thing, 30 days, 100% free classes, but don't expect the basic knowledge from classes. Okay, 100% 3 to 4 years of experience to keep how much knowledge required more than you can gain from our classes. Understand? Minimum 3 to 4 years to keep how much knowledge required more than you can gain. But every day, please attend the class. And who want to, who are interested to move to IT, just you can, everyone, just you can share this link. They also can join. Got it, my point? Yes, I hope you understood. Everyone, like every day, 1 hour, every week I conduct the mock interviews. Once 50% course is done, then we can start automation testing also parallelly. So to become a software engineer, no need any coding skills. Understand my point? To become a software engineer, no need any coding skills. No need any coding skills. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Any doubts, any questions you can ask me. I'll wait. One